Hey everybody, it's me, Erica. So sorry I've been gone for so long. I just got really uninspired and busy with other stuff and had losses in the family, and so I just didn't have the priority or mental spoons to do boxes. But I got an offer from Kikagoods the other day, Kikagoods.com. It arrived in like 2 days because they ship things incredibly fast. But I did the $89.99 slightly damaged boxes random 10-pack, and I told them that I particularly liked animals and I didn't really know a lot of anime stuff or do a lot of anime stuff, so better to send me just animals. So hopefully they helped us out there. But let's see what we got. They always come in this crazy blue plastic, all the Kikagoods boxes. And I had an additional 15% off coupon. If you don't shop for a while, they get worried you're dead and also miss that you're spending money with them. So they will send you a 15% off coupon sometimes. And so I use that. So I got these for about $7.99 each. Any of the ones I don't like, I will just put up on eBay or get rid of. Oop. It's my puppy knife. I have some new cloud knives coming. I'm very excited about it. Okay, let's see what 10 we got. Here's our receipt. Okay. Oh, and have they made it a solid brick? Yes. Sometimes they are really talented packers. And if you like saving the bubble wrap, I mean, like, good luck to you. Ooh! Oh, wow, we really did get a lot of animals. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, awesome. I'm just gonna cut it. I don't have the time or the patience. Let's see. Oh, looks like we got some really great ones. Ooh, we got one of the horrible ball jointed dolls that I don't like. So that one will be definitely going on eBay because they scare me. I just have a thing with dolls. It's a long story. I'm autistic. I have sensory issues. I really had some bad experiences with dolls, and that's not to say that dolls are not amazing pieces of artwork. I respect doll makers and everything they do. I just do not want dolls. They scare me. Okay, let's see what we got. We've got a music power mouse, violin, guitar, electric guitar, trumpet, a saxophone, or do vocals. Oh, it's do, me, so, re, fa, la. That's not the order they go in, but that's okay. And it's a phone holder. The mouse holds your phone whilst doing music. Fascinating. Okay, we have, these boxes look fine. What, is that the damage? That's what we're worried about in selling this for $7? Okay, well, I struggle to find the damage on this other than this being a little smushed. But this is I think it's a fox. Looks like a fox at some sort of party. Milk Company Toys. I've never experienced that brand before, so that's new to me. Oh, another mouse. Another music mouse. Welcome to 2020. They apparently are having a $10 concert at the Happy Mouse Club. Interesting that we got 2 mice. I've never actually even seen that one for sale, so those must be like backstock that are old. We got a 52 Toys kitty cat. It looks like it's a holiday kitty, or it could be a chick or like some little witchy cats. That's very cute. Also, I've never seen this one for sale on their website, so I wonder if it's backstock. This is Clark the hamster. We love Clark. I have several Clarks. I have no idea what these say, but we have several Clark the hamsters in our collection, so we love Clark. Come on, buddy, you can focus. Focus on Clark. Okay, we have a, oh gosh, a Doki Duck. Again, this damage is just, well, this one I could see is a damaged package, but like, what is wrong with this? The corner's dented. I think it's more backstock than anything. These are these little veggie and fruit ducks. Oh my God, precious. So cute. And we got, oh my, I don't even know what this is. These are some like aggressive little monster friend. I'm gonna have to look all these up. I don't even know, there's not even a ton of English on them to surmise who they are. I'm gonna have to do some research here. Again, I think just back stock. This is a little bit squished. I've never seen this for sale on their website. I have no idea. I've never seen these. Some of these. This kitty cat is doing some summer stuff. I don't remember ever seeing this one for sale either. Super cute. Summer, it looks like you're just getting a lot of summer activity kitties. No idea. I've never seen that one for sale on their website. This is the ball jointed doll, I think. Or maybe it's not a ball jointed doll, but it's like a little half animal, half person deal. Not my thing. But there is hidden designs. Some of these I might keep for gifts. Some I might just sell. Oh, and we got a sleep sea elf. I love these. But I have the whole set. So that's super fun. That's another really great piece. I have to say, I struggle to find any damage on these. I'm very strongly believing these are just back stock and very random, and they just need to get rid of them. Yeah. Not sure. Not sure if this is just back stock or if it's genuinely they have some broken ones. This one I have seen for sale. Many of these I have not. Some of these I might keep as a gift. I just like don't even know what this little creature is. I'm gonna have to look him up. And then the music mice. It's so strange. I don't know. What a weird and fascinating collection to get. Gosh, I don't know if I should open all these and try to sell them or if I should just sell them as closed, like in a little batch. No idea what to do, but I appreciate you coming along on this opening. I guess I should open something. We'll open Clark. We love Clark, and I have many Clarks. So this is Clark the hamster. Let's see. Any other way to open him? Any rip tab? Nope, looks like we just pull on the top. I hate that. I hate that. Give me my knife. There we go. Let's see, Clark. Oh, we got the one eating cheese. Look at him in there. I love these with their little fat cheekies. The Clark the hamsters are very iconic. This one doesn't shake. I've gotten other Clarks that shake. But he is adorable. I love his little cheesy face. He's great. And these are flocked, which is also really nice because they're cute and fuzzy. And then, of course, you get your card in here with your little cheesy hamster. Adorable. The mice, I'm not super enamored with. Those ones I might just sell as a group. But who else could we open? These are just so, what a weird mix. Okay, let's do this one. I've never done, and this is 52 Toys, who makes the Sleep Sea Elves and several of these actually. So I trust 52 Toys. Let's see if we can get this one open without botching the top. Oop. And, oh, it's also got a blind bag inside. We won't surprise ourselves. Good ASMR. And we got a reindeer cat. Those are very cute. Come on, buddy, you can focus. They're kind of like a vinyl, like rubbery feeling. They're heavy, but the coating on them is like a vinyl rubber. It feels almost like keychain material. Very cute. I think those are his paws. Dear God, I hope so. And there's his branding. Yeah, these are from 2019. So these haven't been out for a long time. So these might not even be sellable at this point. But it was a really fun experiment. I'm not mad at that. Kitty cat back in the box. So that's interesting. So that's a 2019 item. And I know that I have seen the Doke Duck as a brand for sale on there lots of times. I've bought the ones like that are the melting ice cream ducks, and those have been there for ages. And that is not this. I guess we'll open the duck too, and maybe that's where we'll stop for today. I think probably easiest for me to cut it from the top. Maybe. Ah! Oh my God. Nearly killed the other cat. Okay, let's see. Here's his little duck house. Very cute. Won't look at the baggie. Another good ASMR. Wonderful. And which duck did we get? No, 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 no. He's a pineapple. Oh, he's so cute. Come on, focus. You got this, buddy. He's holding a little flower, like a hibiscus, I think. He looks very happy about it. And I think he's like, yeah, he's like half bent over. Like he's getting ready to peck. Oh, so cute. Love you, Doki Duck. You are great. The Sleep Sea Elf, I think I will save as like a raffle prize for one of the ocean months I do in my group. I think that will be fun. That one, let's see. I've never seen these. I've never opened one of these. We can do it. I don't love these characters. They are just not my thing. What the heck is this? I've never seen this little oh, it's probably just the baggie. Okay. But I've never opened these because I don't love them. They're from Kongzu, who makes my, I won't look at the card. They make my fun bronzes. But I'm not into the like kind of, not furry characters, but they're like anthropomorphized humanoid animals. That's never been my vibe as a kid even. Let's see who we got. Oh, right in the, where there's a boot. That is upsetting. I did not need to be flashed or assaulted by this cat lady. Okay, and she comes with a pet cat. This is distressing. I mean, I just don't know about these, you guys. This is a little weird. She's got, oh, it's a stand. I was like, why in the God's name would I want this? And then there's some kind of packet. I don't know what that is. Let's see. They're all maids. It's just that they're all maids. Okay, and we just got the tabby cat made over here. Oh, the rolled up piece of paper. What are the, these are weird. I don't know about that. Maybe, oh, I think it's just gum. It's gum to get her to stick to it. That's what it is. This is, I don't like that. That's not okay. That's not safe for work, people. Okay, cat lady, no offense to you or your people, if you will not be living here. And I wish you the best of luck in your future endeavors being a cat lady. That's good news for you, friend. Oh my, that freaks me out. Okay, that one's leaving the house for sure. This one, I think I'll use it in a raffle. This one, like the summer kitty cat, I just don't know how old these are. Looking for a number for like the copyright date, and I see nothing. Nothing. So strange. Okay. Oh, nope. Bad rip. Ugh, I hate a failed rip. For the money that they charge for these, they could rip well. Okay, here we go. There's some sort of flotation device within here. Not gonna peek. And re-whip. This cat is on a cookie sandwich. What the heck is this? Oh my God, it's huge. Its head is a cookie sandwich. It's not on it, it is it. Wow, that is bizarre. Okay. This cat comes with, oh, that's his little water to sit on. Fascinating. Okay. We got the macaroon cat. Is that the one that was on the box? Oh, they're all on a flotation device. This is just the Siamese cat. They all have a food for a head. And then this is his floaty for his little kitty butt. Absolutely bizarre. I remain baffled. No English. Nothing helpful there. And that's fine. It's not meant for an English market. That's why I'm buying them from a company in Hong Kong. So it's not like it's meant to be in English, but it doesn't help me very much in my search for what the heck that is. Okay, kitty cat, done. And then we have this weird foxy friend here. It's very weird. Do you open this just like a... I don't want to open it like that. I don't want to tear it. Oh, well, that's all right, I guess. Hopefully I've been in frame most of this. Oh, that opened much easier than I thought it would. Okay, so these look like little foxes experiencing a festival, but this one looks like a, oh, it's a tanuki. We've got something else and a cat. So it looks like there's a cat, a fox, and a tanuki, and that's maybe a deer. Yeah, Ino Hariko is, I think, a deer. That one looks like a cat. Neko is cat, so I know that's part cat at least. Tanuki and Inari is fox, I think. If I'm wrong, it could be, I don't think it's rabbit. It could be, but so don't at me. Okay, let's see who we got. Oh, he's got a little drum. Very cute. Oh, we have the fox with his little taiko drum. And he's got his, oh my God, sorry. And he's got his little paws ready for drumming. Very cute. That's kind of a fun one. I have not seen this. I have not heard of the Milk Company toys. I like that it comes in a little milk box, which I just put together. Thank you, Autism. Here's his little card. Might be like a New Year celebration, perhaps. It doesn't look like Chinese New Year, but it could be. So there he is with his little taiko drum and fireworks. Very cute. And then these mice I just find strange. Don't know what I'm going to do with those. Not going to open them here. This one, I have no idea what this is. And I don't know how old this is. And I can't find anything that really says how old it is or when their copyright is in. But it's some sort of little monster. And it has a dark side. We don't know how or why. Is it a sakura blossom? Is it... We don't know. Nobody knows what this is. Somebody does, not me. Let's see. And... Come on. Ugh. Another plastic baggie. It's very round. It's the size of literally a baseball. Yeah, that's exactly the size of a baseball. An American baseball. I think baseballs are standard. And we got... Oh, it's that weird rubber feeling stuff again. And it's hugging a fan. Perhaps a paddle. Hopefully not a paddle. Yep, some sort of fan. Does it weeble wobble? Is that the point? Yes, it's a weeble wobble. If any of you were 90s kids, you will know what a weeble wobble is. Weebles wobble, but they don't fall down. I don't think that's the actual tune of the song, which is good because I won't get copyright infringement. But it's like a cherry blossom demon weeble wobble. I remain baffled, amused, and thrilled that I continue to buy these ridiculous things. And I thank you for coming on this journey with me. And I appreciate you waiting around for me to come back and put out some videos, but hopefully I'll be doing that more often, and I hope you have a great day. If you could please, 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 please like and subscribe. I know everybody hates hearing that, the smash the subscribe button business, but it really would help me out if I get to 1,000 subscribers. I can become like one of the partners and start making some side hustle for all this stuff that I do and all my sewing, and that would really help me out as a disabled artist. So if you enjoyed this, please, please, please subscribe, and I'll use this Weeble Wobble person as a puppet. And I'll see you next time. Bye!